Hello everyone, thanks again for joining me for another video where we talk about the platform Pocket Options to do some trading and hopefully get us some wins for the day. Now, if you are new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, and consider getting the ebook so you can bring yourself up to speed. Okay, a lot of people were talking about that they cannot get the 5-second time frame and it keeps snapping back to 1 minute. I've said before, if you're going to be using the 5-second time frame, it normally happens from 2 p.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern time. Also, too, it's always great to see that people are loving the videos that I'm putting out. I do try to do my due diligence and make sure that I am sharing valuable information that you can use each and every day that I upload these videos so you can understand the platform a lot better. Okay, so let's get into this strategy. These are going to be on 2-minute candles. We are going to use 3 moving averages. The first moving average is going to be set to SMA. Now that stands for Simple Moving Average. And we are going to make this one, we are going to change it to 6. And it's always good to try to make them a little bit more thick so you can see them. So put it at 2px. And then we're going to add another one with a period of 14. Again, the SMA for Simple Moving Average. And one more moving average, which is going to be a 50 SMA. What you're looking for are crossovers to find your entry. Okay, so let's look at this downtrend here. This is where we want to enter as it crosses, going down for 2 minutes. Same thing when it goes up. Let's see how these trades play out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.